Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is lecture number 2 of lesson number 3, the plant world. In this lecture we'll study in detail about reproduction, that how reproduction takes place in flowering plants. Now in flowering plants, reproduction takes place in the flowers. What happens in the flowering plants, that the reproduction will take place in the flowers. Then now this is the diagram about reproduction in plants. You can see that anther and filament, these are the male parts of a flower. So both of them are the male parts, so collectively they are known as stamen. So you can say that stamen is the male part of a flower. Now pollen grains are present in the anther. It contains the pollen grains. On the other hand, you can see that stigma, style and ovary, these are the female parts of a flower, or you can say female parts of a plant. So collectively we call it carpel, or the other name is pistil. So pistil or carpel is the female part of a plant. Now you can see petals. Petals are always large and colorful. Then sepal, you can see the sepal. The function of the sepal I'm going to tell you in detail about all this in the next slide. Now reproduction. The sepals protects the bird before it opens into flower. Bird, आपने सुना होगा कली, जब तक flower closed form में होता है, it is protected by sepals. I'm going to show you the picture in the next slide. You will understand. ठीक है, जब तक वो कली होती है तो उसको कौन प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा होता है? Sepals. Once the flower is open, the job of the sepals is done. एक बार flower खुल जाए तो मतलब क्या है कि उन sepals का काम खत्म हो जाता है. Then the next is the petals. The petals are usually large and colorful. ठीक है, as I have told you in the diagram also that the petals are large and colorful. Their job is to attract insects to the flower. अब वो different colors में होते हैं, ठीक है, इसलिए उनकी क्या job होती है कि वो insects को अपनी तरफ attract करते हैं. Now the third is the stamen. As I have told you, what is stamen? Stamen is the male part of the flower. अब stamen में आपके पास क्या आते हैं? The anther and filament. The anther is the part of the stamen. It is covered in pollen. ये किस में covered होता है? Pollen में. Now the fourth part is the pistil. The pistil, or the other name for pistil is carpel. This is the female part of a plant. At the top of the pistil, what is present? Stigma. Then a tube. What's the name of the tube? Style. And that style then leads down to the ovary. Fine. Now this is a bird. ठीक है, आप देख रहे हैं that the flower is in closed form and it is protected by the sepals. Fine. This is bird, जिसको उर्दू में कली कहा जाता है, and in English it's known as bird. Now plant fertilization. How plant fertilization takes place? It occurs when a bird, insect or the wind transfer pollen grains from the anther of one plant to the stigma of another plant. अब प्लांट फर्टिलाइजेशन कैसे होती है? जब बर्ड या कोई इंसेक्ट या विंड जो है, फॉर एग्जांपल कोई बर्ड इट सिट्स ऑन अ फ्लावर और एन इंसेक्ट व्हेन इट सिट्स ऑन अ फ्लावर, तो उनके लेग्स के साथ जो है ये पोलन ग्रेन्स जो है वो स्टिक हो जाती है. ठीक है, व्हेन इट विल गो टू अनदर प्लांट, तो वही जो पोलन ग्रेन्स जो है इट गोज टू द स्टिग्मा. अब स्टिग्मा से क्या होगा? स्टिग्मा से ये स्टाइल की तरफ जाएंगी, जो ट्यूब है वहाँ से पास होके ये कहाँ जाएंगी? ओवरी की तरफ. ठीक है, फ्रॉम द स्टिग्मा द पोलन गोज डाउन द ट्यूब टू द ओवरी. एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू, स्टिग्मा से वो कहाँ जाएंगी? ट्यूब से गुजरते हुए, व्हाट्स द नेम ऑफ द ट्यूब? स्टाइल. वहाँ से गुजरते हुए कहाँ जाएंगी? ओवरी की तरफ, वेयर इट फर्टिलाइजेज एन एग. अब ओवरी में क्या है? एग्स आर प्रेजेंट. सो Over there, it will fertilize an egg. What it will do? It will fertilize an egg and a seed is formed. Fine, when the egg is fertilized, what is formed? A seed is formed. Now this is your homework task. Question number 1. How does fertilization take place in a plant? Draw a labeled diagram to explain your answer. Then solve Unit 4 in your science skill book. Submit your task within a week so that I should check it and give assessment marks, because on the basis of these marks you'll be promoted to your next class. Thanks, dear students.